Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 2nd of November, Tuesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. And let's dig into the straight three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. So if you look at the Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour last week on Friday, we had this beautiful short trade. We really banked beautiful pips. If you haven't seen my last week analysis, video link is given in the video description. And today was since yesterday when the market opened, we are long. As you can see here, we had an inside candle pattern. We had this breakout and beautiful pips today from yesterday on Monday, and today at the New York session we were short. We were looking here if the price is going to break. You can see here price respected, then we're going to be taking a long trade here. Otherwise, if you can see here, price broken, could not respect this level. After this breakout, we were expecting a pullback short trade here. So we had a short trade here at the New York session. Even now you can see here we have a bearish engulfing candle. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. If you look at the intraday from yesterday, this is the yesterday analysis. Market was quiet, so I haven't updated analysis yesterday, but you can see here yesterday when the market developed inverted head and shoulder pattern in intraday, as you can see here. As soon as the price broke on the previous high, as mentioned based on the analysis, we have symmetric triangle pattern. Beautiful breakout long trade. This was the counter long trade here in 4-hour. The target was the 200 EMA, which price nicely hit, which is almost the previous high. And price nicely hit. We banked beautiful pips. And today we were expecting another pullback based on the 4-hour. So we were expecting to, if the price going to break the previous high, long, otherwise short here. As you can see here, price repeatedly respected this resistance. Even in 4-hour, you can see here, price developed a double top here. We have taken a short trade here. Some of the traders are still holding short. We'll let you know tomorrow. That was a beautiful trade. That was a counter trade based on the 4-hour price action. Let me share with you the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a, if you look at the 4-hour last Friday, we had amazing profit. And after that we were expecting a pullback. By the way, if you look at here, the price nicely broken this support line. After this breakout, we were expecting a pullback short trade here. So our bias was short, so we banked beautiful pips short trade on pound dollar. Even now you can see here bullish engulfing candle. We'll let you know tomorrow. Tomorrow we had a quite high impact news for dollar. Let's see how that's gonna go. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market and refine my entries and exit. As you can see here, this was the, if I show you, this was the analysis at the Asian session. Once the price developed double top here at this level in 4-hour, we have taken a breakout short trade here. So this morning we have, once the price reversed, I explained to my trader, price respected previously this level, so we're expecting here another pullback. That's the first priority as mentioned on the analysis. As you can see, beautiful pullback. Even the price broke on the previous low, we have another beautiful 2 pullback. So based on the momentum and where there's a reason, you can see here price action based on the 4-hour, we had a beautiful short trade bank, beautiful pips. And today at the New York session, once the price basically keep respecting this level, you can see here we have price respected, and once the price develop a double top here, and that's what I explained to my trader. As you can see here, if the price gonna break this recent low, then we're gonna be taking a short trade here. And afterwards, as you can see here, price broken after the breakout, price retest, beautiful pullback short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the profit target. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoying profit. So we had amazing short trade continuation from last week. Beautiful trades on pound dollar and the Euro USD and dollar CAD. We had amazing trades, and let me share with you. If you look at the 4-hour, we were long. Our bias was long from last 2 weeks. If you haven't seen, you can watch my analysis review. We were long from here. As you can see here, This week, in the beginning, we had a short trade at the market open. We also had this short trade here, but our bias was long. As you can see here, price developed inside candle pattern and price respected the support level. As soon as explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this level, then we're gonna be taking a long trade here. We also had this breakout. After this breakout, we also had a pullback long trade here. Let me share with you the analysis, intraday analysis, how I refine entries and exit based on the 4-hour price action. As you can see here, we were short here. As you can see here, from here, the market opened yesterday. And this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. Explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, if the price is going to respect, as you can see, we haven't seen any red candle here, and that's why our intraday system help us. So we haven't seen any red candle. Price continue. As soon as the price broken, explain to trader, it's time to take a long trade here. We can see here our bias was long on CAD. As soon as the price is about to hit the profit target, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And let's wait for the price to develop another pattern. And at the New York session, as always, you can see after this breakout, we were expecting another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed another pullback. As soon as the price hit another fib channel, previous high, explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here, we had amazing trades on pound dollar, euro USD, and the dollar CAD. We banked beautiful pips. The best trade we had that was the Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar. As you can see here, we were short here. That's what I explained to my trader. The market open, you can see we had a long trade here. As explained to my trader, if the price is going to develop head and shoulder pattern, and if the price is going to break, then we're going to be taking a short trade here, and even it's going to go further down. We'll see tomorrow how was the situation about the dollar, but our bias is short on dollar, Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and bank beautiful pips, amazing pips on Kiwi dollar. You can see here we had such a beautiful, nice rally. If I show you here, let me share with you. Okay, so this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. When the price developed, we were short here. So you can see here, once the price developed false breakout, and let me share with you based on the 4-hour. As you can see here, the price nicely came back here once they developed double top here, and in intraday, and that's what I explained to my trader. If you look at it intraday, with the price developed false breakout, and it's my pointer. Okay, so you can see here, once the price developed a false breakout and price could not maintain, and if after this breakout we're expecting a pullback, but the safest trade I explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this triangle pattern, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. We had a quite high impact news this morning about the Aussie dollar. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and afterwards explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bearish. And as soon as the price broken this major structure, the previous low, and that's what I explained to trader, just keep taking a pullback. So you can see here breakout, one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, fourth pullback, fifth pullback. So you can see here, beautiful trade. Amazing trades of the day. We had it on Aussie dollar and also in Kiwi dollar. So if you look, I show you on Kiwi dollar, you can see here we had such a nice beautiful trade here. As explained to my trader, when the price break the major structure, just keep taking it here. Simple. We had this false breakout, price nicely broken, and after the breakout, price retest and beautiful short trade here. And let me share with you the analysis of the intraday. Again, you can see here, we had this analysis at the Asian session breakout, but London morning session, we had such a nice, beautiful pullback. And that's what I explained to my trader, price broken, retest, and let's see if we can get another pullback. We had this pullback and another pullback, another pullback. So I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks based on the momentum. So you can see we had amazing trades on Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar was the trade of the day. Bank beautiful pips. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time. and banking profit in real time. And the most important thing is developing your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping live alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trading community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.